program. David, you there? Yes, do you have a question?
Yes, I just wanted to clarify, and I think y'all have done that already, that if you actually take the blow test or whatever it's called, then you have to take a second test at a hospital for the blood test. Is that correct?
Right. You should ask for a blood test, and you can name a hospital as long as it's within a reasonable distance. Once you get the blood test, what you're going to find out is that you don't have a number given because they're not going to test it while you're there. You can ask for as many other tests just like the police can. You could ask for breath, you could ask for urine, and
How many should we ask for here?
Well, I'd at least ask for breath so you'll know what your breath reading is on a different machine at a different police station that night. You have to pay for all these, but just be prepared to pay for them.
Okay, so I can now say, all right, so David gets pulled over, he's in Sandy Springs, he says, okay, I want my blood test. If he asks for that before and says, I don't want your breath test at the police station, I just want my own blood test, can he do that?
Not permitted in Georgia. In California, you could get a blood test because you can select what you want. In Georgia, you can't. If the officer asks for breath and you don't take it, you're not even entitled to go get an independent test. They won't help you get an independent test. They're not required to under Georgia law. In some states you would be, but not Georgia. So if you don't first take the officer's requested test, you're done as far as any independent tests.
Hey, Tony, if God forbid I get into an auto accident and somebody's killed, are you drawing my blood?
Absolutely.
Even if I don't want it?
Yes.
Bubba, if my blood's drawn and it comes back with the presence of some sort of drug or alcohol, what type of jail time am I staring down?
Per injury and death, it's 15 years is the maximum. Could be 20 years if you're a bad driver, if you've been notified of habitual violator. 20 years per injury or death stacked on top of each other.
So if I got 2 people injured in my car, I'm looking at possibly 40 years.
With an HV, or 30 years if you haven't been declared habitual violator.
Hey, it's Adam Golf on your car buying expert at WSB. When it's about 90 degrees
Got out right on the,
your car heats up to
I like that little
150
end thing because you can clarify something. Yeah, I like it.
Absolutely be unbearable. Not to mention the fact that you get worse gas mileage with your windows down on the highway. I recommend having your vehicle's air conditioning system inspected for leaks in performance just